Hey, all you two beautiful people who watch these. Just a quick trade review today because I only had two trades and they did not go that well. So the SPY was breaking 290, had popped up through 290, and so that to me signaled a breakout. I saw it come down here to this volume profile. By the way, I'm using TOS now, and you can see all this beautiful volume profile on all these multiple time frames, which is just fantastic. Other softwares that I've previously used, stocks to trade, don't do that. And my friend is introducing me to the glory of TOS. It's really lightweight, it's not nearly as clunky, very streamlined, and I've been using it for one trading day and I'm in love. So if you're thinking that maybe certain software is beyond your budget, you ought to know that Thinkorswim is available to you at very little cost, which is to say zero. So anyway, I'm seeing that this has broken the volume profile at 390, so it kind of broke that barrier. It pushed up here and comes back down, and it sits on this point of control here, where basically there's really thick volume. That is not where my first entry was. It was right here at this VWAP bounce. So SPY comes down. I grab a call on the VWAP, which also happened to be near the old high a day, and so I'm thinking it's going to rebound, and it does, but it does not get to my target. It dumps through my entry, and I stopped out for a relatively small loss. And then it rebounds off of this point of control, and I miss it. And it comes back down. I grab it again as it's hitting that spot, but it doesn't hold this time. It just follows right through. And here's where I made my mistake because I had a clear risk of $5 and the stock pulled back and it sat at my risk. I was staring at it at 120, thinking it was going to bounce, and I didn't take the opportunity to get out. And then it fell further. So it fell below my stop. And then I froze. And I didn't take that opportunity to get out. And I knew what was happening, but I still did not sell. And so I'm sitting there hoping for a bounce, which is not a sustainable strategy. And finally, I snapped to what was going on. I threw in a stop order, and then I got stopped out for a much bigger loss than I had intended or desired. So here's another big problem that I encountered today, and that's this right here. Oh, I don't know how to zoom in, really. Sorry. Give me a second. Still learning the software. But you see that it pushes up here, and then it tries again, and you have all these tall upper wicks. This is after a breakout, so you know it's in like the distribution phase. And that looks exactly like this from volume price analysis. It's a selling climax. And I recognized it, but the problem is that I went in with a bias. I woke up this morning, I looked at the SPY, and I felt bullish, which is a really unfamiliar feeling for me. Um, and so I had a predetermined bias, and ultimately it was my undoing. So, uh, have strong convictions loosely held, as they say. I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.